Times have changed. Today we have smartphones, smart TV, smart hubs, and widely watches alone, smart watches too. And Amazon lured me to buy one this season. And Amazfit seems to fit everyone's bill. The design of the Amazfit GTS smartwatch, it's trendy and compact whether you're going to wear it at work or even for the gym life. The design is too simple. This watch comes in with a 220 mAh battery and Amazfit claims this can deliver 14 days of battery life on a single charge. Let's take a look at all the features and functionalities of this device one by one. The display. It's simply amazing. The display is one of the USP for Amazfit, as almost all the watches they manufactured seems to have a great display, which is a pivotal role for a smartwatch. The GTS comes in with a 1.65-inch 341 ppi AMOLED display with full touchscreen. One thing I love about the display is it's covered with Gorilla Glass 3, something which is not found in most of the smartwatches. This display is an always-on display and it lights up when you lift your wrist, which is controlled by the app. I had no issues using the watch on a bright daylight and could see the contents or the notifications very clearly. The Amazfit GTS looks like the design is inspired from the Apple's Watch series with its thin bezels and the long display. The 1.65-inch AMOLED display was more than enough for me to go through the notifications from various apps and also to interact with the calls that I receive. One more thing, Amazfit offers a wide range of customizable widgets, something which I liked a lot. The build quality is definitely something to talk about. It weighs about 248 grams only, which makes it really light. The body of the watch is made up of metal, which feels pretty solid. And the strap is made up of silicone and it's really comfortable to wear. Just like the brand name Amazfit, the watch has an amazing fit and feel. What does this watch has to offer you? This watch has an accelerometer, a gyroscope, air pressure check, ambient light, geomagnetic, and Umami's BioTracker PPG for measuring your heart rate. Now this is something different which normally isn't found in all the other smartwatches. There is also a built-in GPS and NFC. The GTS is water resistant too. It is resistant up to a depth of 50 meters and also supports multiple swimming scenarios. Wow, that's new. The GTS offers 12 different sports modes which include outdoor running, treadmill, walking, indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, elliptical trainer, pool/water swimming, mountaineering, trail running, skiing, exercising. This is really great. The BioTracker PPG, as mentioned earlier, measures your heart rate constantly, providing a 24-hour uninterrupted reading. This is something, as I said earlier, different when compared to the heart rate sensors on other watches. The GTS does comes in with a dedicated sleep tracker. Though this is not displayed on the watch, the data is actually synced to your mobile app on the phone and you can see the report out there. There's also a sedentary reminder that tells you you've been sitting for a place for a very long time. It's time that you haven't been active. Please wake up or do some exercise. The Amazfit GTS has an excellent hardware. Let's talk about the software. This device runs a proprietary operating system that is built in to link your smartphone and the smartwatch via an app. The OS is really very basic and most of the complicated tasks are actually completed by the app that is installed on your phone. The downside of this is that we don't have an app store or a Play Store that you can find on devices which run on a Google OS like the Wear OS, and the watch connects almost instantly to your phone, and managing the watch is simple and easy enough using the smartphone app. Someone rightly said, all that glitters is not gold. That definitely suits here. With all the best and good features that this watch has to offer, there are definitely some spaces which the watch could have been better at. The first and primary thing that I noticed was the battery life. Though Amazfit promises a battery life of 14 days, I think this isn't always 14 days of battery life. I did find if you have the AMOLED display always on feature enabled, with the heart rate sensor always monitoring your heart rate, the device does take a dip on the battery life. The other thing that I noticed could be the operating system. Yes, it's very basic, very minimal operating system. You just can't do super things on it, but it does achieve what it's supposed to be doing. Though this might not be a huge difference, but I felt answering the calls like a built-in mic or a speaker that allows you to answer the call without taking the phone out would have definitely been the best. That drives me to the end of talking about this watch. So the price tag is definitely reasonable enough for someone like me who is looking for a mid-range smartwatch, but just not for the people who wish to see time and count steps. This is one of the best watches that offers you out-of-the-box GPS and delivers what it promises. I think I made a smart decision of buying this Amazfit GTS smartwatch. Before I let you guys go, you know the protocol. Like, share and subscribe to our videos. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any suggestion for the video, feel free to write down on the comment section. While I meet you guys in another video, it's me signing off, wishing you a happy festive season. Take care.